Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here. Sorry for this weird angle. I'm trying to get the car seat in it because this is a car seat cover. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So it comes with, these are the seat covers. It comes with, I think these are for maybe the seat belts to make them there. And then we have some keychains and some coaster inserts and I don't even know. So let's open up the stuff and figure it out as we go. So I think it comes with 6 of everything. So that is pretty good. Okay. So here we go. So this is, let's just get one. So this is the seat cover. So it is kind of a stretchy bungee stuff. And let's see, how would he do this? I don't know which is the top and the bottom, but we will put it over here. And sorry, I'm working in a very limited space, but you get the idea here. It's going to go over here, and it's going to look like Bloodstain. So how cool is that? And it's got little bungees here, so we can strap it on all around there, so it'll look really cool. So we have that. Let's see what this is here. So it comes with, it looks like 6 of those. So let's see, what is this here? So this is a steering wheel cover. I'm going to put this on here, and I'll show you guys it in a second when I get that going here. Let's see. Okay. So we have a steering wheel cover. Let's see what this is here. So we're going to make our whole car kitted out like blood. This is, this is the headrest cover. So this will actually go over here, there. This will go over the headrest, like so. And then this will go back over here. There, like that. So I'll show you guys here that in a second too. So let's see. So those are those things. This, it's hard to know. It doesn't really give a whole lot of instructions on here. It's all written in Chinese, but we will figure out what is what. So these comes with 2 of these, and I think these are going to strap around here to give you comfort as a seatbelt piece. So you have that. So there's that. Comes with a couple of those. And these are, I'm not sure what this is for. It's got 2 little straps over here. You tell me what you think this goes on. And then we have these little cup holder insert thing, which will go in here. There's 1, 2. And we have keychain here, a little neoprene keychain. Is it Velcro? No, just a little keychain. And another keychain. It's a little fob-like thing. So this one here is a little key fobby one. So do I have everything out of here now? Yeah. So I have a lot of these seat covers. So let me show you guys everything we got here. It's hard because it's too close. But let's see what we got. I forgot to show these little inserts in here. Hopefully you can see them. There. Okay, so I've switched it up to use this video because it's got a little bit better of an angle, but you can see we have the headrest one on there now. I don't have it pulled down all the way, but you get the idea. So it's got the Bloodstain headrest. We have the seat cover, which is a nice little one there. We have the arm piece here. This one here, we didn't know what this one was for. We have the keychain and another keychain. We have the other seat head cover here, and then we have a bunch of other seat ones. And then over this way, you can see we have the steering wheel cover. So I have my tests of the steering wheel cover. So you get a lot of different pieces. It's all kind of a cool little Halloween set, and I like it. So it's cool. I'm ready for Halloween here, and I'll probably put the other ones in the back seat right now. I don't know if you can see, I just have black seats, but I'll put these over there, and so I'll have like a lot of Halloween decor. So really cool. Halloween's coming up. I can't wait.